Well, good morning and hello from the Cameron Highlands out in Malaysia, up in the mountains of Malaysia. And so today I'm going to go try to visit a Hindu cemetery. And you guys, I never really show how I get to cemeteries. I do everything DIY. That's just the way I do it. It's the way I like doing it. So here's how I'm doing it. I looked at the directions on Google Maps, and this is the freeway. This is the highway. So I'm walking there. It's a 45-minute walk, and I will just walk in the mountains. Hopefully it doesn't go very steep downhill, because that would kind of suck having to come back. Because I generally don't do taxis. I don't do that. You know, it's all, life's an adventure to me, and this is part of my adventure. And you never know what you're gonna find. Like, let's look across the street right here. I just noticed. Looks like there might be something nice. So this is what I do when I go to cemeteries. In cities, I just take, oh, there's some stairs down there. Oh no, that's just a water drainage. And yeah, here's some scenery. Yeah, I just find it all very adventurous, and so that's what I do. And hopefully sometimes the cemeteries are closed. Sometimes they don't exist. That's happened to me before. But let's find out, you know. I mean, it's a 40-minute walk. Hell, who cares? I got all day. So enjoy. Hopefully there'll be some cemetery footage to go along with this. Peace. All right, so we're walking through the gates of the cemetery. That was actually a crematorium over there. And it says Hindu cemetery. I don't think it is. Those are Chinese cemeteries. I totally, we'll see when we get up close. But I'm seeing Chinese graves. Like, Chinese graves have very certain style, and also you can see the Chinese lettering. And on this hill. Yeah, that one was a Hindu crematorium. Because the sign said that. But yeah, this is a Chinese cemetery. This isn't a Hindu cemetery. There we go. Yeah. Right off the bat. That was a Chinese shrine. Yeah, that's a Chinese grave right there. There's something growing in the background. The area I am in, the Cameron Highlands, is known for tea, lavender, and strawberries. So those are the things that grow around here. They're like, there are strawberry farms everywhere. All right, let's go take a look at this Chinese cemetery, not Hindu. I've been to a Hindu cemetery, and this is not it. I've been to quite a few Chinese cemeteries, actually. In Thailand, in Malaysia. Oh, this is a cool one. This is very deep in the middle of nowhere, though. But yeah, wow, this is nice. It's well maintained. Look, you got the crane. You got beautiful images. Wow, very nice. And a little side shrine thing. Oh, there's a butterfly. Let's see if I can catch it. 1996. Wow. Okay, this was unexpected. And it goes up the hill. Here's this man. It's all written in Chinese, so I cannot tell you what it says. It goes up there. There's some more on the hilltop and up there. There's the little valley. And I did look and it said on Google Maps, it does say Hindu. This is not Hindu. Let's go take a look at some of the other areas. And it also says there's a Christian cemetery not far from here. So I'm gonna go take a walk over there and see if I can find it. I haven't seen any pictures of either of these places, so that's why I was kind of wondering if they even existed. But so far, cool. This is pretty neat. We'll take you up. We'll go up here. Man, they put a lot of work into this. They got the pineapple. What do they say? Ong, O-N-G. I keep noticing that word associated with pineapple. Wow, this is really cool. There's more steps so we can get even higher up. Ooh, look at that. All right. Well, I hope you enjoy the cemetery. Have a wonderful day. Hello. So I finished up at the Chinese cemetery, not Hindu, and I'm heading my way to the possible Christian cemetery, and I stumbled. This looks like the road caved in at some point. So here's all the rocks, and yeah, the road caved in at some point, crashed down. There's a thin little area for me to walk upon. And that's what I mean, adventure. Probably shouldn't just stand on the area where the road caved in. But I've got we got a little creek going down. You know, it's very nice. It's just, you know, I am just deep in the mountains of Malaysia. Not super deep, but I'm a little deep. So we'll see how it goes. Let's cross our fingers for the Christian cemetery. See you in a bit. So obviously this cemetery video is going to be a little different. Just me and my crazy ways and the things that I see along the path. So there's a little man-made waterfall. That's the road up there. A little man-made waterfall. Standing on a bridge, and there it goes. See, so many, if you go off the beaten path, go the weird way, who knows what you'll find. All right, bye-bye. All right, hello, in the last part of this day. So I walked down that little side road, and there is a Christian cemetery right here. You can see the crosses. And I think I'll sit there and I will, I'll point out on the map. I'll put a little thing of a map of where I am in the world. As I'm not anywhere near North America or Europe or anything. I am in Malaysia. And I am in the mountains of Malaysia. Alright, so here we go. It's a little typical Christian cemetery. At least this person's probably Roman Catholic, because there's the Virgin Mary. They seem to be facing the other way, so let me go take a walk over here. I don't know why they're facing in this direction. I'm really not sure what direction it is, to be honest with you. Oh, okay, so we got some Chinese Christians. I've seen that. I've been to Chinese Christian cemeteries. Looks like most of these are going to be Chinese Christian cemeteries. Or Chinese Christians. Nicholas Mang Tang. Oh, he's young. He's a youngster. He's only 30. See, sometimes you just can't really afford. Oh, this person, oh shit, this person just died not that long ago, December 1st. Oh, actually, no, on the 12th of January. They do it backwards, so the 12th of January, this guy just died. This one's reserved. Me. Oh. Yeah, well, she's a Hindu lady. Oh, that's nice. It's mixed a bit. Rose Fong. It's not that big. I mean, we are in the Cameron Highlands. Just some wooden crosses. It is lovely up here. I do highly recommend coming to visit Malaysia. Yeah, we're already pretty much at the end of the cemetery. Like I said, it's not that big. Oh, I like this one. This is nice and pretty. The end's just right there. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I have a 45-minute walk back uphill to get to where I'm staying. But that just makes it all the more interesting and fun. Have a great day. Bye-bye.